Now it's time to replace the dumb cameras with IMOU Q2, the 1080p AI home security camera. With Q2, you won't miss any wonderful moment, wherever you are. And you'll know immediately when your baby cries.
Emma, stay away from there. Mommy's coming.
You won't get any false alerts, only useful ones. Because Q2 identifies human beings from pets and plays a loud siren to scare away unwelcome visitors. At night, Q2 switches to night mode automatically, protecting your home and loved ones 24/7. Just enjoy your peace of mind. IMOU Q2 is right by your side.